Welcome to Crossplane Nation. Today we're going to install this strut bar here along with this cowl panel on a 2020 Ford 50 Mustang. Let's get started. I'm going to remove these guys right here for the battery box. Go ahead and remove the battery box here. With the box removed, we're going to go ahead and take this guy right here and pop this up. There'll be some retainer clips on the back here that we'll need to pop up and remove. If you don't have a retainer clip removal tool, flathead will be just fine. I have the retainer clips removed here. I just used a piece of PVC to prop that cover up. There's going to be a bolt right up underneath here that we'll need to remove. I'm actually going to use a wrench to remove this guy here. There's one more tucked up underneath this cowl. We need to remove these two here on the left. Once we do that, we'll unscrew these guys right here. For these two guys right here, you'll use a 15mm socket or wrench. This is the new cowl piece that we'll put on here. The new piece here, it'll bolt to the left, go all the way down, and also bolt on the right hand side. I have the new cowl piece in place, slides up underneath that cover. You are going to need to remove this battery cable here just to get the strut tower to go up underneath there. Before bolting down the strut tower here on the right and left side of the vehicle, we're going to go ahead and put the retainer clips back in. Don't forget about the 4 bolts that go in there as well. I have everything in place. Thanks for watching.